Hello. Another day, another mountain. I've been pretty grumpy recently, so I thought, what will help me be less grumpy? And my usual conclusion is going and being alone in nature. So that's what I'm gonna do. It's kind of a very windy, rainy day, as it usually is here. And I was debating if I wanted to wait until it was sunnier, but then I was like, no, it's not gonna get sunnier because, oh my gosh, it's so windy because I'm in Bergen and it just rains here for days. So I was like, whatever. I will not let Mother Nature stop me. So here I am. I'm climbing my fourth mountain, Lovestocken, out of the 7. I don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way to the top today, just because I don't really know if I'm even in the mood. Crazy little steps. In the mood to go all the way up. But I think my main goal is to just find somewhere where I feel alone, like really alone. I just don't want to be around people. I just want to be by myself. And so, yeah, but maybe I will make it to the top. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Looking so silly. I look so silly today, and that's okay. Yeah, much love. It's pouring a little bit. I got a little bit drenched. But let me tell you, I've never felt more alive in my whole entire life. I'm standing in the rain, in the forest, and I see mushrooms everywhere, and it is so beautiful. And this is exactly what I needed. I'm so happy I'm here. I've been dancing in the rain for hours, and I don't know if I'll be able to encapsulate how absolutely beautiful this is, but I'm going to try because I feel so alive, and it's pouring, and I feel like the earth is just showering me with its beauty, and I am so happy. So maybe I'll be able to show you, but my phone is soaked. Everything is soaked. But that's okay. I don't care. I'm actually just so happy. Anyway, but we'll see. I did not make it to the top of the mountain. I'm on my way down because pouring rain and I'm a little cold. But I just need to say, that fall is amazing and beautiful. And look at this leaf I found. It's the size of my face, literally. And there's like a bunch of pretty dots. I hope it's not like an awful illness vibe that's like killing it, that it's actually just like beautiful like this naturally we can all manifest. But fall is just wonderful. There are just leaves everywhere and the water is beautiful, and I'm walking next to a waterfall and the earth is just amazing. And I think I always forget how amazing the earth is, but it's so incredible. It's so incredible and it's so beautiful, and it's starting to rain. Anyway, much love. Much, much love. There's a lady watching me that whole time. There was a woman watching me, and I don't care. I'm at a state of no cares. I'm soaked. Hello, it's a new day. And today, well, back at home, that was a human. Back at home, I always used to watch the sunset like every night, and here I've been finding it hard to watch it just because I live like around a bunch of buildings, and so I don't really ever see it. So my point is, my goal for today is to catch the sunset, and there's this park that's supposed to be right next to the ocean, and so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm like walking through these random little streets. Not lost at all. I'm lost. But I'm like making my way towards the ocean, so hopefully I'll get there in time for the sunset. So that's what I'm doing. I don't like people. I just want to be alone all the time. I don't know why other people are walking in the outdoors. I'm joking. Obviously, I understand why other people are walking in the outdoors, but sometimes I just want to be alone. Jeez Louise! Gosh darn it. The earth is so beautiful. This walk has been beautiful. I should do this every day. I'm not going to do this every day because it's a lot of work, but maybe I'll do it every day. I don't believe myself. What I do believe is that it's so beautiful and the clouds are insane. I don't care how many times I see the clouds. They still blow my brains. Like seriously, like just like blown. What the heck are these big fluffy things doing in the sky? They're just vibing. But they're huge and they change all the time. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. And the sun's setting. To journal and reflect on my life choices. Well, that was a success. I'm cold now though and hungry, so I'm gonna go home and eat. And yeah. Hello, So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you so much, and I'm so glad that you watched it. It makes me so happy in my heart and soul. I really enjoyed this video because I think it really shows how much I appreciate nature and how awesome nature is. So I hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you have a beautiful day full of happiness and joy and sparkles and unicorns and rainbows. And I love you, girly pop. Bye, my queens.